Hi, my name is Matt Tippett, and I want to take you through a quick presentation and demonstration of the Voice2insight service integrated with Salesforce. We will present a service with a proven return on investment that bridges technology and transcription. Now, Voice2insight gives you a cost-effective solution that benefits both the rep and the company. As a trusted partner of Salesforce.com, Voice2insight uses secure web services and the API available from Salesforce to send reports that are transcribed by the Voice2insight US-based transcription team into the user's Salesforce account. Now I'm going to switch and show you an example. This is our developer account, and we have a sample account in here. You notice that there are no events, no tasks. And we have a sample account. Let me jump over here. Alright, we have a sample account, and you can see here that we have one contact. There are no opportunities, no cases, no open activities, activity history. You'll also notice that the account is called Our Logic Corporation Test Account, and the phone number has all ones. So we're going to call in and update this account, and then add a couple of other tasks, events. We'll create an opportunity, and you'll actually see that happen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dial in, and you can actually listen to this call. Hello, this is Matt Tippett, and I would like to update the following account. The account name is Our Logic Corporation Test Account on Jones Street in Houston, Texas. I would like to update the phone number to 555-555-1234. I would like to add a contact. The contact's name is Lisa Colley, and her title is Vice President of Sales Operations. Her phone number is 800-273-7765. And her email is lisa.colley@ourlogic.com. Colley is spelled C as in Charlie, O-L-L-I. I need to create an opportunity. The opportunity name will be Voice2insight Trial. Stage will be Prospect. The close date will be February 15th, and the amount is $10,000. I need to log a call with the opportunity. The subject will be Initial Meeting with Lisa regarding Voice2insight. And the detail will be that Lisa's objective is to give her field sales professionals a means of getting information into their CRM in a more timely manner. Presently, they type it in, like most, and they do a fairly good job. However, Lisa prefers they spend that typing time seeing more prospects and clients in order to increase revenue. I need to set up a task. The task is to prepare a proposal, and that proposal is due January 30th. I also need to set up a follow-up appointment for January 5th at 11 a.m. to review the proposal. This is the end of my report. Thanks. Alright, now we'll send that off for our team to deal with. It's no more difficult than that for a sales professional to update their Salesforce account using Voice2insight. Again, they simply follow a card, and if you remember back here on my slide, they follow a card that starts out with their account, has a contact, has an opportunity, has a log a call or a task, and an event. You can see the steps that I then followed there. So while our team is processing this report, I'm going to take a moment and switch over, and I'll come back to refresh the Salesforce account. Voice2insight has served global clients since 1994. So the field rep calls in after a meeting, follows that card, gives them the categories that we discussed, and they leave the report with our service. Our team takes that and transcribes it into a template based on Salesforce. It is reviewed for quality and then ultimately submitted. Once it is submitted, it is sent via secure web services into the user's Salesforce account, accessing the API associated with the proper account record and then using the mapping available to drop the information to the correct fields of those account records. Now, the reports that we send through the secure web services are XML files, but in addition to the XML file, we also send a verification email back to the user in their email box. That can be Microsoft Outlook, Lotus Notes, or pretty much any other email client. Okay, so now we are going into our Salesforce account, and you can see on the main screen that nothing has changed as far as tasks, any events. So what I'm going to do now is click on the refresh button. You can see I now have a task that has been set up to prepare a proposal for Lisa Colley. I'm going to jump over to the account. Okay, you will see that the account record has changed. Notice the phone number has been updated. You also see that there are 2 contacts with Lisa Colley, the Vice President of Sales Operations. We have an email and a phone number that I put in. We have our opportunity, the Voice to Insight trial, set at prospect with an amount of $10,000 and the close date of February 15th. We also have our task, which is to prepare a proposal due on the 30th, and we've got our follow-up appointment for the 5th at 11 a.m. We've also got our history item that is related to the opportunity, and within that item is where our notes reside. You notice in the note, our text, Lisa's objective is to give her field sales professionals a means of getting their information into their CRM, and that is the full note that I called in. So that's really the power that Voice to Insight brings to field sales professionals. They can actually get all of this done while they're out in the field without having to allocate any selling time to get this administrative burden taken care of. In addition, we provide a verification email back to the rep. Let me switch to that and I'll show you. This is a formatted report that has the account information here, the contact information, the opportunity, the log a call information with the same detail that was in Salesforce. It's got the task to prepare the proposal due on the 30th, and it's going to follow up a meeting on the 5th at 11 a.m. So all of the same information that went into Salesforce is now verified by the rep, who can either forward this on if they choose, or they can file or print it, whatever they want to do. Simply disregard it if they want. It's up to them. But whatever they do, they've got that verification back. And now they know this information has made its way into Salesforce properly, and they can move on with their day. So when it comes to the app exchange, just a little quick note here. If you want to go in and do a search on Voice to Insight, you will see our app resides there. And you can see reviews posted by actual users. They're all 5.0s, and there are quite a few of them. It's actually very good reading for anyone who is interested. The steps to launch Voice to Insight with your Salesforce.com is pretty easy. You see the steps here on the screen. It takes about 10 minutes to set up the integration. We'll work with your Salesforce.com admin, communicating with the team, developing welcome packets that will be emailed out to each user. We ask that you look at a comparison before and after so that you can see the value of Voice to Insight, and then we'll provide training and support. As a quick recap, Voice to Insight is for field professionals who are looking to get the client information recorded for their benefit to use to help to advance their sales. Overall, the tool helps with increasing overall user adoption, gain higher quality information, reduce the rep's administrative burden, which leads to increasing their overall call preparation and or selling time. So this is the way that companies are using this tool in order to increase their revenue and better manage their overall sales process. Please contact me if you have any questions at mtippets@voice2insight.com, and I look forward to talking to you.